New Year's is hours away, and the safety of the community is important to multiple companies throughout the county. I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. New Year's Eve is one of the biggest days for DUI arrests, and a few businesses want to make sure you make it home safe. Multiple organizations across Kern County are offering free rides to members of the community to ensure they make it home safely during the holiday. A couple of them include GetBus and DDI.
Tonight, there's no excuse. There's free services to members of our community through DDI, through GetBus, to get you and your loved ones, or you on your own, to get you home safe, so you don't hurt anybody, so you don't hurt yourself, and so you don't get yourself into trouble.
Garza tells me DDI will be providing free rides to the community from 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. To get in contact, they ask you call or text 661-431-3854. And GetBus is offering free rides on their buses from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. GetBus recommends riders to research either on the app or online to see when the bus will arrive and how far it is from your location.
We want to give back to the community and support the community, and on a night like this, we want to join other organizations that are offering rides, to keep our community members safe while they're out having fun.
In a text received from Eric Saladon, BPD Public Information Officer, he said, in the evening hours of New Year's Eve into the morning hours into the first of the year, officers assigned to BPD Traffic Division will be providing supplemental DUI saturation patrols throughout the city of Bakersfield. This is one of many ways that BPD is proactively trying to prevent the tragic collisions that occur as a result of a DUI. As of the afternoon of December 31st, 2024, BPD has made a total of 758 DUI arrests so far this year.
Here, in our law firm, we see the impacts of people driving drunk every day. We have victims and families of victims that have been injured or killed as a result of a drunken driver, and it's terrible.
Organizers tell me one drink can relax your mood and affect your judgment. To be safe, call a ride. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.